Distraction is not your problem, it's your addiction to distraction that is quietly destroying your life. Namaste Karyans, I am Vanita Ganesh Murthy, your Vedic Karyan coach, and you are listening to Vedic Productivity Talks. Welcome to Season 2 of the Raise of the Karyan, Day 6 of 30. We raise and grow 1% every day, one small baby step at a time. Let's be honest. You sit down to work with full intention. You tell yourself, today I'll focus. You open your laptop, you start your task, but within minutes, your hand goes to your phone. One notification, one message, one quick scroll, and suddenly you're no longer working. You switch tabs, you check something else, you lose track. 30 minutes is just gone. Then you come back and try again, and the same cycle repeats, isn't it? By end of the day, you feel busy, but nothing meaningful is done. And then you start blaming yourself. Why can't I focus? Why am I like this? Nothing is wrong with you. You're just trapped in distraction. In Vedic wisdom, the mind is described as chanchala, restless, unstable, always moving, like a monkey jumping from branch to branch. This is your natural mind, but today's world is making it worse. Every notification, every reel, every scroll is feeding this restlessness. And you're training your mind to avoid stillness. And without stillness, there is no focus. Without focus, there is no deep work. Without deep work, there is no real growth. So your problem is not distraction. Your problem is an untrained mind. Let me share a simple story. There was a young professional, smart, ambitious, and capable. He had goals, big dreams, but every day he struggled to focus. He blamed his job, his workload, his environment, until one day he tracked his time honestly. And when he found, shocked him. He took and he thought he was working 8 hours, but in reality, he was distracted for 5 hours and focused only for 3. The problem was not about ability, the problem was attention. Listen carefully. Distraction is not happening to you, you are allowing it. Every time you switch, every time you check, you are training your brain to lose focus. And what you train daily becomes your identity. Train distraction, become distracted. Train focus, you become powerful. So, how to fix this? Single tasking only. One task, one focus, no switching. Step number 2, work in 25 minutes focus blocks, no phone, no interruptions. Step number 3, remove triggers, notification off, close unnecessary tabs. Step number 4, start small. Don't aim for perfection, aim for consistency. Even 25 minutes of pure focus is powerful. This is how you train your mind. Drifters follow distraction. Karyans control attention. Drifters react, Karyans choose. Your focus is your superpower. Protect it, build it, become a Karyan. If you want to and ready to take control, comment focus and start today. And don't miss day 7 because we are building this one step at a time. Until then, I wish you to be very productive and have a great day. Bye, Jai Hind.